fully funded scholarship that you can actually enjoy. And when I say fully funded scholarship, it means all the program are actually being funded, and this does not limit down to people who are applying to masters alone, but also to people who are actually applying to bachelor, to masters, and to the PhD level. So whatever the case might be, whether you are trying to apply for any of these degree level, then you can participate in this. Every year this scholarship is actually being rolled out, and it is time for you to apply this year, and this is why I'm bringing you this video at this point. What I want you to do right now is to quickly click on that like button before we continue. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when there's a new video for you on this channel. This is a fully funded scholarship that you can apply to and move to Europe in 2024 if you want to study abroad. All of the information you need to know, the benefits, all the requirements, the list of program, the procedure is what I will be sharing with you in today's video. If you are a EU citizen and you are looking for a scholarship to apply to, it is not possible because this is only possible for non-European students, and this cover full tuition costs of any student. Because this scholarship is actually coming from Romania, and if you are going to be selected or if you are going to be looking at any of the program, you need to put into consideration that you will have to first devote 1 year to take up the Romanian language course, and this will actually cover the cost of paying for this course. Okay, so you don't need to bother about this. And also any of the course you now decide to pick up after then the tuition fee for the actual course will also be covered. There will be monthly stipend of €65 for bachelor, €75 for masters, and €85 for PhD, okay, given to the students. So you might look for other ways of actually getting more fun for yourself, actually maybe by working. And the accommodation expenses in student dormitories will also be financed, so you are not concerned about getting money to actually pay for your own accommodation, because you are going to be living in the student dormitories, which the cost will actually be paid. The students will be provided with full medical assistance free of cost, okay, so which means all your medical issues will also be looked into, and your medical insurance will actually be paid for as well. Discounts for local transportation will also be provided, where you're going to be getting the tickets that allows you to actually get discounts on all your local transports within the country. Okay, so those are the major benefits of this scholarship. Now let's take a look at the list of programs that are available right here. Here are the list of programs that you can actually apply to benefit from this scholarship. If you apply for architecture program, visual arts, Romanian culture, civilization, journalism, political, administrative service, engineering, education, science, social, human science, technical study, oil and gas, agriculture, and veterinary medicine. Those are the major area of focus for this particular Romanian government scholarship offer for 2024 and 2025 scholarship deal. Okay, if you go to the required documents, first you need to be sure that all your documents are actually validated and they are equivalent to what is required to apply for your current degree, aspiring degree level. What I mean by this is, if you are applying for your masters, you should get ready that your bachelor is actually valid and is actually being evaluated. Okay, so official letter issued by the diplomatic mission of the country of origin accredited to Bucharest. Okay, so you already know Bucharest is actually related to Romania. Okay, and the MFA application form, we are going to be talking about the MFA later on, and also the MNE. Okay, MNE, then the MER, we are going to be talking about that in later part of this video. So the MFA application form for a scholarship in Romania, fill in correctly. Then the MER application form for issue of the letter of acceptance to study in the Romania. Then legalized copy of your obtained study diploma, baccalaureate diploma, okay, for the bachelor, for the master's and doctoral degree, and the legalized translation in one of the following language. So is either you legalize and translate them to English, or French or in Romania. Okay, so that is when you are being requested to actually provide this. Okay, you also need to legalize your birth certificate, so you need to provide copy of the legalized version, then copy of the first 3 page of the passport, and also your medical certificate, curriculum vitae of yourself, and also your recent passport photograph. Okay, now one thing I want us to look at is this eligibility requirement. Applicants from all countries may apply except those from EU member states. An applicant must submit their current academic documents, which means you cannot do without submitting your previous academic document. And you must also be ready to submit the application within the enrollment period. Without this, you are not eligible to actually continue with the process. Okay, all fields are open except those who are looking into pharmacy, dentistry, and medicine. And also the Romanian language course will be required of candidates who lack the require fluency. Those are things that I've actually talked to you at the beginning of this video, which will require you to actually take up the Romanian language course, and this will actually be paid for. Okay, so I'm just trying to connect this all of this information so that you can get them connected in your head, and also get the full gist about this scholarship. Now if you scroll down to the bottom right here, you're going to see that we have the link right here. So if you want to apply, you cannot apply outside of this website right here. So you can also use the direct link right here, which is the second one. So if I go to this first website right here, you can see this is the official government website, and if you look at it here, it says apply for the MFA. Okay, so which you can actually go ahead, and if you go to this direct link right here, you see right here, application are open, apply by this. Okay, so how to apply: first you need to create your account, apply for a scholarship, then get a response, then you begin your study. So those are what I've actually break down for you here. You can submit your scholarship application only through the Study in Romania platform, which is this, by clicking on apply for MFA, so which is what I've shown you here, this white button here. And if you go back, okay, directly, you can also go to the direct link here. So I'm just trying to get you familiar with the structure. Okay, to apply you need to create an account, then after creating an account, fill in your information, upload all the required documents, then you proceed to send your application to them. When you send your application, they are going to give you a response and a feedback, which is getting an answer, and after this you can then move to Romania. Okay, this is as easy as possible. What you just need to do is to get all the documents ready, then you are good to apply. So if you are going to be applying, this will be for undergraduate, for masters. Within 2 years you should be done with your masters, and within 4 years to 3 years you should be done with your doctorate. Okay, so those are the major information that I have for you here. Now let's quickly go to the application page, so you can still do like a run around on the information right here. So if you go back right, so if you come here and you click on apply, application are open, if you click on this, it will then take us to the page that I was talking about actually. Okay, so if you go now, you're going to see here it says log into your account, and you can see as a new user, then the next thing you need to do is to click on this button. So when you click on this button, it will take you to the page where you can start providing your information. All of these are easy only if you can just follow the steps and the procedure. So first thing you have to do is to gather all those documents before you start all this process. So here you are asked to provide your first name, your last name, your email, your password, then also verify this captcha here, just to be sure that you are not a robot trying to input information into the platform. Then you click on create my account. After creating this account, you get a verification email. You follow this procedure, then you go ahead to submit your application. If you need any support with this procedure or steps, you can actually come directly to me. You can check the link of every of my video. You are going to see a link that you can actually use to speak with me. And if you don't find that, you can actually come down to my website right here. You are going to see email address that you can actually use to speak with me right here. Okay, so you can also send me a DM on Instagram, and we can then schedule a call to support you with your admission application. I hope this information will be helpful enough to allow you make decision if you are going to be applying to this Romania government scholarship for 2024-2025 academic section that is fully funded option for you. If you find this video useful, kindly drop a comment at the comment box. Let me know the country where you're actually watching from, and also let me know the program of your interest, the program that interests you out of the program that I point out right there. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this with a friend who might need this information. Till then, I'm going to catch up with you in another one. Peace out.